So when you get a package from the post office with what you know is a really cool rifle, or in this case, it's 3 really cool rifles, that is not what you want to see. My postman hopefully told me that there was a bolt-action rifle bolt sticking out of the side of the box. Fortunately, fortunately, as much as it goes, the company here, the auction house in question here, did insure the package, but let's see if anything's actually damaged. No sense in saving this box. Yeah, see, one layer, a little foam wrap, not really helpful. If you're gonna pack rifles, you wanna put bubble wrap around them, a couple layers, cover the muzzle with some reinforcement, because otherwise it will just pop right through the end like that. And then, when you put them in the box, you then use something like peanuts, which aren't gonna all get stuffed to one side like this. Use something like peanuts to fill up the space so that the things can't rattle around in there. This is a little bit better done, and I'm sure that is what was sticking out of the side of the box. Fortunately, so far it doesn't look like anything was damaged, which is really, really a good thing on account of this is an experimental prototype Chassepot Gras conversion with a box magazine on it. I was really excited to get this. And then this guy is even equally cool, if not perhaps more cool. That is a French Navy Kropatschek, 1878 Marine Kropatschek. And fortunately, everything in here looks like it came through just fine. Since I've got you on video here, I'll just finish this off. This guy is a little bit of a weird one. Okay. This, the auction house didn't have a clue what it was. They really didn't have a clue what any of these were. And this appears to actually be like a cadet Gras, I think. They wanted next to nothing for this, and I went ahead and bought it based on really not very good pictures and basically no description. The barrel length and the sights didn't really make sense for any standard pattern of Gras, and looking at it now, it's clearly a miniaturized Gras, and I'm pretty sure that's a cadet rifle. I don't know 100% because that's something I've never really looked deeply into, but now I have good reason to.